Cats and pregnancy. How to stay safe when life with cats during pregnancy. Bringing a baby into the world is an exciting journey, and many families love their cats. But while pregnant, there are some things that need to be thought about to make sure the safety and well-being of both the expecting mother and her cats. We will talk about important safety tips for living with cats while pregnant in this piece. 1. Litter box duty, a crucial safety measure. Delegating litter box duty during pregnancy. Giving birth is an exciting experience, but there are some things that need to be done carefully, especially for people who live with cats. One big worry is that people might be exposed to Toxoplasma gondii, a parasite that is found in cat poop. Cats don't usually carry the virus, but pregnant women should still take special steps to lower any risks. Why are you worried? The parasite Toxoplasma gondii causes toxoplasmosis. It is usually spread by eating or drinking something that is dirty, and touching cat poop is one way it can be spread. Although the risks aren't very high, it's important to take precautions during pregnancy to protect both the mother-to-be and the growing baby. Giving the task to someone else. Giving someone else the job of cleaning the litter box if you can is one of the most important safety measures. Other family members or a partner can take on this duty if they are available. This simple step greatly lowers the chance of coming into close contact with the cat's waste. Measures to protect. If you can't help but touch the litter box, it's best to wear throwaway gloves and a mask. Also, people who are pregnant should wash their hands well with soap and water right after cleaning the litter box. To keep the area clean, it's just as important to throw away used litter the right way and clean the box often. How to choose a low-risk litter. Think about using clumping litters that are simple to scoop every day. Because the groups can be removed quickly, these litters help lower the chance that the parasite will spread. Also, pregnant women may choose litters that say dust-free on the package to lower the risk of breathing in dust. Checkups with the vet on a regular basis. Cats that are pregnant need to go to the vet for regular checkups. The cat is less likely to shed the Toxoplasma gondii parasite if it is healthy and doesn't have any diseases. Updating your vaccines is an important part of a complete plan for preventive care, even though there is a small chance of getting toxoplasmosis from cats. These extra safety measures give pregnant people an extra layer of protection. Having someone else clean the litter box, following good hygiene, and taking care of the cat's health with veterinary care can help make this a safe and stress-free time. Always talk to medical professionals and veterinarians to get help that is specific to your situation. 2. Grooming duties. Cats are very good at grooming themselves, and their breath might contain germs. People who are pregnant should avoid touching a cat's used litter and, if possible, let someone else clean the cat. 3. Checkups with the vet. Make sure that your cat has all of its shots and regular checkups with the vet. Not only does this keep your cat healthy, but it also lowers the chance of zoonotic diseases, which are diseases that can be passed from animals to people. 4. Good hygiene habits. Keeping up good hygiene habits while pregnant and interacting with cats. While pregnant, women feel happy and excited, and if they have cats in their homes, they need to be extra careful with cleanliness to make sure the health of both the pregnant woman and her cat friend. Cats are loving and comforting, but they need to be handled carefully during this time to avoid any health risks. Wash your hands. As a basic rule of cleanliness, you should always wash your hands after touching a cat. This easy and useful step lowers the chance of bacteria spreading. Wash your hands well with soap and water, especially after feeding, petting, or cleaning the litter box. Staying away from people. People who are pregnant should stay away from a cat's face, even if they want to cuddle with their favorite cat. Cats clean themselves all the time, and their fur could contain allergens or germs. Limiting face-to-face touch can help keep these substances from being transferred. Be careful when grooming. Give someone else the job of grooming you if you can. Cats have to salivate as part of their grooming practice, but it could carry bacteria. If you are pregnant, you shouldn't handle a cat's used cleaning tools or do things that put you close to a cat's mouth. When you wear gloves, if you need to touch a cat's fur directly, like when you brush it, you should wear throwaway gloves. By taking this step, you help protect your skin from any allergens or bacteria that might be on the cat's fur. Safely using cat items. Pay attention to how cat things are treated. To keep dander and allergens from building up, wash cat furniture, blankets, and toys often. To get a good cleaning job, wash with hot water and a hypoallergenic soap. Making sure your living space stays clean. Clean the living place often to get rid of allergens and bacteria. Cleaning the air with air purifiers, vacuums, and brooms can help make the space cleaner and healthy for both the cat and the pregnant woman. Getting to know cat allergies. Some women become more sensitive to allergens while they are pregnant. If the expecting mother is allergic to cat dander, it is very important to take extra steps to control allergens in the living area. Think about getting air filters and making certain areas of the house cat-free. Getting advice from medical professionals. Always talk to a doctor or nurse if you have any worries about being around cats while you are pregnant. They can give you personalized advice based on your health situation and help you get through any problems that come up. Last but not least, to have a healthy and safe time with cats while pregnant, it's important to follow good hygiene habits. Simple safety measures, like washing hands often, handling cat things safely, and knowing about cat allergies, help create a peaceful space where both the pregnant woman and the cat can live together happily. Of course, everyone's situation is different, so it's always best to get personalized advice from health experts. 5. Variations in behavior. Cats are very sensitive, and they may notice when their owner's behavior changes. Some cats might feel better and be more defensive, while others might get stressed out. You should keep an eye on your cat's behavior and give them a quiet, safe place to go when they need to. 6. Managing allergens. Some women become more sensitive to allergens while they are pregnant. If you're allergic to cat hair, you should take extra steps to keep allergens out of your home. Having air filters, regular cleaning, and areas where cats are not allowed can all be helpful. 7. Avoid foods that are high in risk. If a person is pregnant, they shouldn't touch raw or undercooked meat, and they shouldn't feed their cats either. In this way, the chance of getting salmonella or other dangerous bacteria is lower. 8. Get rid of fleas and ticks. Fleas and ticks can spread diseases that can make people and cats sick. Talk to your vet about setting up a safe flea and tick control plan that is good for pregnant women. 9. Get ready for the baby to come. Slowly introduce your cat to baby-related smells and things. Let them play with baby things like cribs and clothes to make the process easier when the baby comes. This methodical approach can help both the cat and the family feel less stressed. 10. Stick to a routine. Cats need routines to feel good, and rapid changes can be stressful for them. It's normal for things to change, but try to keep the same feeding and playtime routine so your cat feels safe and secure. Living with cats while pregnant is not only possible, but it can also be fun if the right steps are taken. Expectant mothers can enjoy the company of their cats while making sure their growing family lives in a safe and healthy setting by being careful about hygiene, veterinary care, and environmental factors. Always talk to medical professionals and veterinarians to get help that is specific to your situation. We hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Hope to meet again with new content.